Automatic cars are gaining prominence in the country, and now there are quite a few of them to choose from. CVT, or continuously variable transmission, is one among them. Cars with CVT have been quite popular and in demand in recent years. Unlike a conventional automatic transmission system, the CVT doesn't make use of gears. Instead, it employs a two-pulley system that keeps the engine in an ideal power band, delivering the desired acceleration whenever required. A CVT-equipped car is a practical choice, especially for those who deal with bumper-to-bumper traffic on a regular basis. Here are the top 5 cars with a CVT automatic that you can purchase under 10 lakh rupees ex-showroom. Number 1. Maruti Suzuki Baleno and the Toyota Glanza. The Baleno is a reliable and feature-loaded car from the Japanese car maker that has created a mark for itself in the Indian market. The premium hatchback is available with a CVT unit on all variants barring the base Sigma petrol. The car comes powered by a 1.2-litre VVT engine that makes about 82 brake horsepower and 130 Nm of peak torque. Toyota also sells a rebadged Baleno as the Glanza in the country that gets the same setup. Unlike the Baleno, it is available in just two variants, G and V. Number 2. Hyundai i20. The India-made Hyundai i20 is the second premium hatchback on our list, which is available with a CVT transmission. The third generation model comes with a host of new features along with a bunch of segment firsts. Hyundai offers a CVT option on the i20 in two variants, Sports and Asta. The CVT variants are powered by the 1.2-litre Kappa petrol engine that develops 87 brake horsepower and 115 Nm of peak torque. Number 3. Honda Amaze. The Amaze is Honda's best-selling car in the country. It is offered with a CVT on both petrol and diesel engines. It is the first and only diesel CVT subcompact sedan available in the country. The sedan can be had with CVT in 3 trim options, S, V and VX. While the 1.2-litre petrol engine is good for 89 brake horsepower and 110 Nm of peak torque, the 1.5-litre oil burner develops 99 brake horsepower and 200 Nm of peak torque. Number 4. Nissan Magnite. Next up is the Nissan Magnite subcompact SUV that took the industry by storm. Nissan has received an overwhelming response from the Indian car market with over 50,000 bookings since its launch. The company says that up to 15% of the bookings have been for the CVT models. The Magnite CVT is available in 3 variants, XL, XV and XV Premium. It is powered by the 1-litre turbocharged petrol engine that is tuned to churn out 99 brake horsepower and 116 Nm of peak torque. And number 5. Renault Kiger. Another subcompact SUV on the list is the Renault Kiger. It is offered with the Xtronic CVT in 2 variants, RXT and RXZ. It is the most affordable offering in the competitive subcompact SUV segment, which comes loaded with a bunch of features. The CVT variants of the SUV are powered by the new 1-litre turbocharged petrol engine that is sourced from its cousin, the Nissan Magnite. So which CVT car are you looking forward to purchase? Let us know in the comment section below.